Dear Diary, today I did the scariest thing in my life. I left my home. I left my country. And I came here alone.
My name is Stasy, and this is my first night in a new world. If you are learning English, follow along. Tonight, just notice how I talk about the past. Subscribe and follow my new life, one page at a time. This morning, I woke up very early. The sky was still dark. I looked at my old room. It was empty. All my things were in one suitcase. Just one. I closed the door. I did not look back. I couldn't. At the airport, my mother called me. She said, "Be brave, Stasy." I said, "I will, Mama." But my hands were shaking. The plane was big. The flight was long. I looked out the window. I saw the clouds. I saw the sea. And slowly, my old life became small, very small. Then, it was gone. When I arrived, it was evening. The city was loud. The city was fast. Everyone walked quickly. Everyone spoke English, real English, fast English. I understood maybe half, maybe even less. I took a taxi to my new apartment. The driver asked me a question. I did not understand. I just smiled and said, "Yes, thank you." I hope it was the right answer. My new apartment is small. There is one bed, one table, one window. The walls are white and empty. I put my suitcase on the floor, and then I sat down. And the room was so quiet, too quiet. Dear Diary, I have to be honest. Tonight I felt alone. I missed my mother. I missed my friends. I missed my small, warm kitchen at home. I looked at my phone. No messages. I looked at the window. Just a dark, strange city. And one small tear came down my face. I asked myself, "Stasy, what did you do? Why did you come here?" But then, something happened. I opened my suitcase to find my blanket, and inside, I found a small letter. My mother, she hid it there, secretly. I opened it slowly. My hands were shaking again. And she wrote only 5 words. "Am proud of you." And I cried. But this time, I smiled too. Maybe I am scared. Yes. But maybe this is the beginning of something good. I closed my eyes. I was so tired. And then, knock, knock, knock. Someone was at my door at 11 o'clock at night in a city where I know nobody. Who is it? I will tell you tomorrow, dear diary. Thank you for reading my first page with me. If you are far from home tonight, I understand you. We are not alone. We are learning together.